In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change DNS on Namecheap and add DNS records like txt, name, and mx. If you need to update your domain settings for a website, email service, or domain verification, this is where you'll do it inside Namecheap. The process is straightforward once you know where to look, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you the exact area you need to access. Start by going to the Namecheap website and signing in to your account. Once you're logged in, find the section that lists your domains. This is usually called the domain list, and it's where all the domains in your account are displayed. Next, locate the domain you want to work with and click the Manage button next to it. This opens the control panel for that specific domain, where you can update several important settings. From there, click on the Advanced DNS tab. This is the main area where Namecheap lets you manage DNS settings for your domain. If your goal is to change your name servers, or if you need to add records such as txt, cname, or mx, this is the place to do it. Inside the Advanced DNS section, take a moment to make sure you're editing the correct domain before making any changes. DNS controls how your domain connects to services like your website, host, email provider, and verification tools, so accuracy matters. A small typo in a value can cause things not to work as expected. If you're changing name servers, you'll typically enter the values provided by your hosting or DNS provider. If you're adding records like txt, cname, or mx, you'll also want to copy the exact values from the service you're connecting. These record types are commonly used for email delivery, domain verification, subdomain routing, and authentication settings. As you work, double-check the host, value, and any priority settings where applicable, especially for MX records. It's also helpful to remember that DNS changes may not take effect instantly. In many cases, updates can take some time to propagate, so if you don't see results right away, that's normal. The key takeaway is simple. Log into Namecheap, open your domain list, click Manage beside the domain you want to edit, and then go to the Advanced DNS tab. That's the section you'll use to change name servers or add DNS records like txt, cname, and mx. Once you're in the right place, you'll be ready to apply the exact DNS settings your provider has given you.